Hi, it's Sarah from Dolls and Daydreams here, and today I'm going to be giving our winter pattern roundup. That means all the patterns I've released since the summer sale, I will be running you through super quick right now so that you can pop them on your wish lists and grab them at a discount in our one and only customer appreciation sale, which is happening very soon. And if you missed all of the new patterns that we've released since the beginning of the year, just pop back and check the link either below or up in the corner, and I will have linked you to all the new patterns I've released so far this year. There's been quite a few. So our number one bestseller this year has to be the new BFF doll range. Well, I guess it's more of a softy range with all of the cuddly teddies. Let's not forget, BFF stands for Best Friends Forever, but also Big-Footed Friends. So let's run through all the new BFFs we've released so far since the summer sale. Well, to begin with, there was definitely that adorable reindeer, and he comes with his own little bell. He's very apt for this time of year, and if you need a quick Christmas pattern, he's the one for you. Then we have the panda with his lovely little stick of bamboo to nibble on. He's definitely adorable and one to add to your collection. And then came the multicolored maned lion. You could of course do any colors for his mane. I particularly like the multicolor for little babies, and he comes with a crown. Super cute. Next came the elephant, and of course the elephant's best friend, the little mouse. They are so sweet together and make a gorgeous set. And last but not leastly is the Piggy. And I love the curly little tail and the apples that he can nibble on or pop on his feet. I also released two BFF dollies. Now, we all love a good doll, and it's great to have a fantastic new pattern to play with. The thing I love about these two is they kind of remind me of chubby little toddlers with their big hands and big feet. They're absolutely fabulous hair. It's super easy and quick. You'll have no worries following the step-by-step photo tutorial, and you'll have a full wig of lovely curly hair no matter what yarn you use. I'd highly recommend them. They're super fun and way faster than you expect, and so different than what is on the market today. And I finally finished off my first responders set. This doll set is very dear to my heart. We have the Firefighter already. Our number one seller of the year is definitely the medic, which could be a surgeon or a veterinarian. But obviously a lot of people are making them into look-alike dolls and thanking the medical community for all they've been doing in this particularly difficult year. I also released the retro doll nurse, and now to finish off the set, we have the police officer. His uniform or her uniform is absolutely perfect to change to whatever country's uniform you are in. And they will definitely help your little ones become detectives and find out who stole the cookie from the cookie jar. And of course, Halloween was here, and so I released the pumpkin tote. I really love this tote. It's really super cute, and even as an adult wearing it, especially at this time of year, it's fall, it's autumn, it looks adorable, and it goes with all of the winter colors in your wardrobe. And just before that, I actually released our first little Calico Kitten, tiny Tote kitten. It's like a tongue twister. Yeah, she fits perfectly in, and for Halloween I made her all in black. If you do want to make the little kitty in one color, she's super fast, but of course your tote will carry any of your tiny tots around. I also released a parrot. This is for all my bird lovers out there. We have quite the collection of birdies now, but also for my wonderful, fabulous pirates. No, not just the dolls. I thought these would make great accessories to any kind of dress-up fun. Just pin it to your shoulder and off you go. I also managed to squeeze in a baby set, and of course, who doesn't love unicorns? This is perfect for a little girl's baby shower. I just absolutely love it. You can use up lots of soft, fluffy material and a bit of stripy or glittery fabric too. The set's fabulous. It comes with a matching softie, a rattle, a blankie and an applique, so all your baby's needs. And if you're looking for Christmas patterns, don't forget we have a huge catalogue. Use the drop-down menus on my main website or just click on the main banner photo which says Handmade Christmas. And that's pretty much it. But you always know that I might have 1 or 2 extra patterns up my sleeve before Christmas Day. So do stay up to date in the Facebook group. I will link below, or of course through my newsletter. And in closing, I would like to say a very, very big thank you for everybody who has supported my business through such a strange year. It has definitely brought our community together, the Dolls and Daydreams community in the Facebook group. I absolutely love seeing all of your makes, and I think we can encourage each other to keep on going through these difficult times, especially with different lockdowns going on around the world, through sewing and creating some joy and magic for the little ones in our lives and those we love so dearly. Thanks so much for following my winter pattern roundup. I hope you've enjoyed all the new patterns this year. You can always find them in the drop-down menu, either under sewing patterns or in the hoop patterns. And it's the first tab that states new. Those will be all of our new patterns for this year, so you can't miss them. Add them to your wish list and let's make it a super duper handmade Christmas. Happy sewing, everyone.